$1,000. That's the only thing standing between me and another 200k in funding. I also get paid on Tuesday. So let me show you where I'm at. Currently today is Friday, the 5th of May. And as you guys can see over here, my funding pips account, I have 2.2k payout on, as you guys can see on my funding pips, I'm at $1,200 on this account currently, which has been a very great account. As you guys can see on the stats, $600 average loss, a little bit over 1% average win. My win rate is 61%. Currently, this week, done $1,000 on that account. Last month, done 5k. Month before, done 2.5k. You guys can see my next reward is on the 9th of June, which is next week, Tuesday. And on the new account that I just recently got, done a little 1%. And the payout is the day after, which is great. So that's currently where I'm at with my funding pips accounts. And then if we go over to Lucid Flex, currently I'm up. Let's go on to here because it's probably easier to show you guys on here. Currently my net P&L is 2k, which means that I just need my profit target's 53k, and I'm currently up at 52k. So one trade and I should be able to pass that account. Hopefully it would be today, to be honest. NFP just happened. I'm just going to wait to see how we react on this zone, and then I'll come back to this 2:30 p.m. London time. I am currently in Asia. I do live here. So as you guys can see, my win rate does say 42%, but it's not actually 42% because I did take a trade on Monday just to open the account because I don't really know how to use this, and my friend taught me how to use it. And also on this day, I did also open a short, but for some reason it closed me out. I don't know what happened, but they decided to close me out, and then I re-entered at 20 pips later, which was kind of unfortunate because I was already currently in that trade, which I done a little percent on that day. And then I done a little just over, let's just call it 1.25% on the Wednesday and Thursday. 50% win rate. I did take a little loss of $300, and then I did get it back with a 1k win. So currently my profit factor is 7. And by the way, guys, this is my first time ever futures prop firm. I've never done them before. So far it's so good at the moment. I have never used TradeC also. This is my first time using it. So I've just put my losses here, and then obviously I only need to make 1k here and $20 for me to pass. So I just liquidate as soon as. Currently really use it SL. I do, but yeah, I mean currently as you guys can see, I'm just using TradeC, and then on the funding pips I'm using MT5 obviously. So yeah, I mean this is a new one, so hopefully we get this one racking up to like 5-6k this month. Then also this one, we try to get this one at 5-6k. That'd be 10k a month plus. With the Lucid, hopefully we finish the week on a 3k. And then we have next week on the eval on the funded weeks, which means I can slowly grind my way and try to look for a payout by the 30th. If I can get to 3k USD on these accounts, that would be great for the end of the month. I will be dropping my risk once I do get the funded stage to about $400 rather than 500, so it's only $100 less. That will take me 5 trades rather than 4, which I'm okay with personally, because my win rate is good and my risk to reward is great. Even if I'm risking $500, I will probably close earlier than it hitting my full SL. And that's why my profit factor is so great. Even on my funding pips that I've had for some months now, my profit factor is 3. So my win rate is 61, average loss is 600. So it's more than a 2-to-1, which most people go for. Because obviously at a 50% win rate, that would be 2-to-1. But with my profit factor being so high, it's great. And also I do open and close 0.01 lots. So that counts as join my Discord, guys. It's in the link below. Sunday, Monday, I would love to go live so you guys can have a weekly analysis with me and we can just go through the charts. Whatever pair you trade, I can give you guys a weekly analysis of what my opinion is. And if you guys have any questions, you can just ask me in my Discord. I will be answering everyone. So yeah, just get onto my Discord and we'll be doing weekly analysis if you guys actually start to join me. All right.